So I'll be guiding you in the 6 healing sounds. So let's start with some spinal cord breathing to open up the breath and the body. Exhale, curl. Inhale, arch. Tucking under your tailbone and tuck in your chin. Opening up your heart and your chest. Exhale. And inhale. And one more time, exhale. And inhale. Bring your hands by your legs, closing your eyes. Gently rock your spine, rocking your tail, sideways, rocking your lumbar, relaxing your nervous system, rocking your thoracic vertebrae, cervical vertebrae, the whole spine rocking gently. And relax, smiling down your spine, relaxing. Rocking your cervical, rocking your thoracic vertebrae, rocking your lumbar, and rocking your little tail. Slowly come to stillness. And allow your mind to drop down into your body. Become aware of your breathing. Lift your forehead slightly and imagine a golden sun beaming into your forehead, into the center of your brain. The energy of unconditional love beaming into your face, smiling, inviting the golden light. And exhale, wash it down the front of your body, softening, relaxing your belly, all the way down your legs to your toes. Smiling up to the back brain, and wash the golden light down your spine, down your legs, down to your heels. And smiling up to your crown, opening your crown to the light of the heavens. And let a waterfall of light relax all your glands and vital organs, down to your pelvis and down to your feet. Lifting your hands up, connecting with the vast heavenly energy. Connect with your guides, guardians, and angels, beings of light. And asking for the assistance to release what you're ready to release at this time. And reprogram to high frequency energy of virtue. Slowly bring down the light. Down through your body, and making a clockwise vortex, spiraling any dark, murky energies down into the earth to be transformed. Bring your hands to your lungs, breathing into your lungs. And gently rock your lungs, loosening up the fascia. And let your eyes scan inside left and right lung, back and forth. Become aware of any cool, dry, cloudy energy in your lungs. Then inhale and lift your arms up. Turn your palms up and make a long hissing sound. Inhale slowly into your lungs, filling your lungs with pure white light and fresh energy. And once more, sinking down with your awareness, scanning inside your lungs, left and right, back and forth. Become aware of any sadness, any tiredness, any feelings of loss. A heavy, sinking energy. And take a big inhale, lifting your hands up. Reach up your thumb up to the heavens. Imagine cloudy gray smoke falling down into the earth. bring your hands towards your lungs and reprogram the lungs with white light, the feeling of courage and strength. And one more time, rocking your lungs, cradling your lungs, loosening up any heavy, sinking energy of grief, depression. Take a big inhale, lifting your hands and releasing it, opening your eyes. And letting it go. And hugging around the aura of your lungs. Filling your lungs with pure white light. Feeling of courage, justice, integrity. Feel the white light expand from your lungs. The radiance of lung energy, courageous, confident. And lightly tap your lungs. Good. Yes, and then rest. Notice your breathing. Notice the fullness of breath in your lungs. Now we're going to do the kidney sound. So become aware of your kidneys and gently rock sideways, smiling down into your kidneys. Become aware of any cold energy there. Cold, wet. Rounding your back, hugging your knees. Pull your kidneys back, blowing out the cold wind into the earth. Then hug your kidneys again, filling the kidneys with the gentleness and calmness, and a beautiful blue light. Good, and smiling down into your kidneys, gently rocking them, scanning with your inner awareness left and right, back and forth. Become aware of any fear, anything that's holding you back. And then round your back and blow out the fear into the earth. And hug your kidneys again, filling them with blue light. Peace and gentleness. And one more time, looking deeply down into the shadow aspect of your kidney. Sweeping your awareness. Gently rocking your kidneys. Any old fear. Then rounding your back and blowing it down into the earth. And hugging the aura of your kidneys, filling them out with beautiful blue light, inner peace. Inner wisdom. And gently tap your kidneys, releasing any toxins, loosening them up, and say thank you to your kidneys. Good. So Now we'll go from the winter of the kidneys to the spring of the liver. So bring your hands to your liver and gently rock your liver on the right side. Sweeping your awareness left and right through the gallbladder and the liver. Loosening up any frustration, any internal pressure. And then we're going to reach up our arms, interlace the fingers, palms up, and like steam, letting off steam. And clear the space around you. Stretch your tendons a little bit. And breathing in fresh green light into your liver. The life force of spring. Fresh. Uprising. And then gently rock your liver, looking down, scanning inside, left and right. Discovering if there's any anger, frustration clenched inside your liver. Just ready to be released. And lifting up your arms, leaning slightly to the left, so you're stretching the liver on the right. And then clearing the space around you and hugging your liver, filling the liver with beautiful green light. The feeling of kindness, being kind to yourself. Generosity, abundance, abundance of nature. And looking one more time deep, deep into the liver, into the soul and spirit of the liver, for any age-old resentment, anything you might be holding on to. And when you've accessed that energy, take a deep breath and letting it go. Free up your energy field and hugging the aura of your liver, filling the liver with green light, kindness, forgiveness, the fullness of generosity. And tapping your liver, saying thank you to your liver. Rest a moment and compare the two sides of your body. You might have a fuller breath in the right side. You might feel more alive, more spacious. So we're going from the spring into the summer energy, the fire element of the heart. Placing your hands in your heart. Gently cradle your heart, smiling down with loving acceptance into your heart. And sweep with your inner awareness through the left and right chambers of the heart, very gently. And become aware of any impatience, any overheatedness inside your heart. And take a big breath. Interlace your fingers and lean slightly to the right side. And stretch your pinky as you come down, the heart meridian in the pinky finger. And embrace your heart, smiling deeply. have that loving compassion of the inner smile. The shadow relaxes, loosens, and becomes ready to let it go. So become aware of any internal violence, any conflict inside of you, any separation between you and your inner truth, you and others. What's the energy of the ego, selfishness that wants to be separate? The delusion of being separate. So take a big breath. And liberating this energy, lean slightly to the right. Stretch the pinky line as you come down, clearing your energy field. And hug your heart, filling the heart with the beautiful pink light of a sunrise, or the red light of a sunset, or a rich red of a deep rose. Filling your heart with love, joy, and happiness. Filling the heart with self-respect. Once more, sweeping left and right. Getting down into the causal aspects of the heart. Anything that will liberate your heart for deeper connection, deeper love, deeper compassion. And bring your arms up. Letting it go with the sound. And inhale the red or pink light into your heart. Hugging the aura of the heart. Feel the fullness and the radiance of your heart. Joy and happiness. And lightly tap your heart like a very dear, dear friend, saying thank you. So we go from the fire of the heart to the Indian summer of the spleen, stomach, and pancreas. So we're going to bring our hands to touch the spleen on the left side of the stomach and the pancreas on the right side of the stomach. We're going to curl over, we're massaging there with our fingers, and we're going to, almost like you're throwing up all your worries, anxieties into the earth. So it's a very guttural sound that vibrates over your throat, right from your gut, okay? So first we're going to just rock those organs and scanning left and right for any dampness, fogginess, stickiness, any neediness, obsession, worry. And curling your fingers and making the sound. And then a quick toss of the sick winds into the earth. And then hugging your earth organs and gently rocking. Filling them with yellow light of a sunflower or a field of grain in autumn. And filling these organs with openness. And then again, rocking, loosening up, scanning left and right. Become aware of this sticky energy. damp. Become aware of any worries, anxieties, or stress. And curl your fingers under, take a big inhale and make the sound. And toss it into the earth. And inhale the yellow light, feeling the fullness of these organs, openness and fairness. Fulfilling your true needs, nourishing yourself. And one more time, scanning inside those organs for any attachment, neediness, something that you're holding on to. Good. And then curling under your fingers, sending it, releasing it into the earth. And hugging the aura of the earth organs, feel the yellow radiance expanding. Feeling of trust. Trusting that the universe will provide for all your needs. You just need to trust. Smile. Feel the organs expand. And gently tap them and say thank you. Now we'll go into the triple warmer sound. So lean back in your chair and lift up your arms. We're going to clear, empty the mind of any busyness, bringing it down, the excess heat from your head, down, the excess heat from your chest, excess heat from your belly, and bringing it all the way down towards your feet. And let it go. The inhale. Bring your arms up. We're going to make the sound. That's in heat. And we want to squeeze out like a big rolling pin coming down through your body. And let it go. So you have a cool head, warm heart, warm belly, but not too hot your heart. You want to get that heat in your belly so you can have heat to cook your food. So let's do 3 more. And the first time we're going to sweep down the front of the body. So inhale, bring your hands up. Bring down the clear light. Inhale up and bring it down the back of your body. Down through the spine, down the legs, down to your heels. And inhale up. Down through the middle of the body. And rest. Feel the balance inside your body. Very good for going to sleep. Empty mind, calm heart, warm belly, and warm feet. So if you wanted to do this in bed, you can just, without your arms, you can just feel that rolling pin going down, emptying your mind. All the stress of the day. Let's do it 3 more times. Down the back. Down through the middle. Bring your hands to the middle. Coming back to center. And collecting the balanced energy, spiraling out 9 times. Then spiraling inwards 9 times into your center, condensing an energy ball of balance and harmony. And rest in your center. And rub your hands warm. And drink the chi into your eyes. And wash your face. And brush down. And thanking to our teacher the healing sounds.